Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I hope my content is good enough to make you stay and smash that subscribe button. Today we're going to make a parchment paper piping bag or a paper piping bag, and for that we're going to need a parchment paper, cake knife which is longer than this. So let's get started. We're going to fold our paper and just leave centimeters, like 2 or 3 centimeters here, as you can see, and we are going to make it as straight as possible so that it can be easy to cut it with our bread knife or cake knife. So this is our first point. As you can see, it's triangular, and then we are going to use our bread knife and then so this is our triangular shaped parchment paper, as you can see, and it's actually easy to make this parchment piping bag because you don't need any skills for this. You just need to know how to cut a triangular shaped parchment paper and how to hold both sides for you to be able to close it, for it not to open up. So we're just going to take the right hand side and hold. I will hold with my left hand and I take the left part and hold. Now we have almost a piping bag, but it's not a piping bag when it cannot close itself. So we're just going to use the right side, the outer part and the inner part, just to make sure the hole has the right size, because if it's too big then it cannot close up here, then everything you put inside will just be a mess. And if it's too small, you cannot also pipe anything out. But it's better for it to be small than to be large, because if it's small you can always cut the tip a bit for you to be able to work with it nicely. So we're just going to make the hole close and a little bit small like this by using this part and the inner part. We are pushing the outer part on the right side and the inner part on the left side for it to be small like that. As you can see, it's really small nicely, and when it reaches the size that you really like, for me I like this size so much, so that's where I'm going to stop. That's how I like mine, because I can be able to control the size of piping, the size of the hole that I want, depending on what I want to pipe out. And now that the hole has been closed nicely, you want your piping bag to be able to lie anywhere without it opening up. So the outer part, which is clearly remaining, you see the inner part is almost inside, so it's not disturbing at all. So we need this outer part, to be able to close our piping bag like that. I hope you saw. This is the outer part, which was our left overlapped side. Close it like that. And you will know your piping bag is done when you can leave it somewhere and it doesn't open up. So this is exactly what we call a parchment paper piping bag. So I'm gonna show you how to close it up when you put your icing or chocolate inside here. As you can see, this is the middle part. You're just going to do like this. I'm gonna start with the right side by folding it backwards. That's done. Then you go to the left side again. Done. If you want, you can do one more, but from here I'll just tilt. Then you curve there like this. Then you go again like that. Then you do one more depending on the amount of space you have. Then here is your nice parchment piping bag. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video and it's enough to make you stay, don't forget to smash that button, subscribe and share. And if you have something else you'd like me to do, don't forget to write it on the comment section. And till next time, bye.